Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Megara on Dress to Impress from the Hercules, of course. Well, from Hercules. Why did I say the Hercules? But anyways, let's get started. I'm not going to do the hair and the adjustments again, so I'm just going to leave it, but I will show you guys the adjustments that I made. So for the hair, I did use this one in 69082F. No adjustments made there. And then I used this. No adjustments made there as well. But I did make some adjustments to this one. I did position. I did nothing. Rotation, just Y at 0.75. And then for the headband, I used this color FF9838D in glitter, and I made some adjustments. So position 0.5, Y 0.71, Z 0.75, rotation 0.14 and 0.49, and scale I did 0.22. Then for the outfit, I used this one in the type 4 toggle, I think. Yeah, because I don't want to use a belt. And then I colored it just this color, 825679. Then I used this in this color, 593B53. Also, I didn't use VIP for this, so that's good. Then I used these sandals in a brown color. I just chose this one. And then, did I add anything else? I don't remember what I added. Oh, actually I did use VIP. I'm sorry. I did use the chains, but you can go without it, you know? It's just something optional. Why? I'm very forgetful right now. Then toggle it to only chains and do this color and add glitter. I just did the same as the headband. And that is Megara for you guys. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.